Alright, here we go. Come on, work with me here. Nothing to it. I'm feeling it. Huh? Hooah! Hooyah! Huh? Yeah! Ah! That's a long way down. Yeah, that's a hangover. Wonder what's for dinner tomorrow. I was just warming up. This is my victory pose. Farewell, forlorn fantasy. Getting raped by Mr. Smashcoon. Did you go easy on me? What? You thought you can win? Sorry, bud, but this time I came out on top. Wow, you've improved, Tony.